Hey, what's up guys? Kuroda here with Certified Producer, and today we're just gonna do a quick tutorial video on how to do or how to make 808s from scratch. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So in FL Studio, you want to open up 3 oscillator, and then from here you want to have the coarse pitch to like all the way down. And for the wave shapes, you want to have 2 sine waves and you want to have a sawtooth. You can also do a sine wave, but for the sake of this video, I'll show you what the sawtooth sounds like. So now we have something like this. Also, we can turn down this filter knob over here, so like all the way down. So we have that muffly bass sound. So from here, we go to the envelope tab. We turn on the envelope. We want to make this short. We want to have a short attack, a short hold, sustain all the way down, release. Let's put a little bit of release. And let's take out the decay a little bit and see what we got. That's too short. Okay, now we have that 808 texture. So from the volume, we go to the pitch tab. We turn the amount all the way up. We turn the attack all the way down. Turn the hold all the way down. We want to have just a short decay. We turn the sustain and the release all the way down. You want to have the short decay. So what this does is the pitch is going so fast that it sounds like a kick. So now we have that kick texture along with the 808. So we don't just stop from here. What we can do is put the pitch range to 12. That means 12 tones. And then let's turn the pitch knob all the way down. So now we have this an octave below pitch sound. So let's try and make a short pattern. Okay, now that we have a simple 808 pattern, we can then add on effects, like distortion or a compressor. Okay, let's try and add Fruity Wave Shaper here. This you can use Fruity Wave Shaper as a distortion as well. You can draw a shape something like this, something like this, or you can do something like this. Okay, and let's have a compressor. Let's compress it for like 4:5 ratio. And then increase the attack a little bit, increase the release a little bit. Then let's turn it all the way to -30. Let's take out the threshold for a bit. And that's how you make a 808 from scratch. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Also, links will be down below for our Discord and our website, so please go check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.